2002 Ford Thunderbird here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Two-top car, so hard top and soft top included with this one. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles, just a little over 16,000 is all in this one. It's been with the same family since new. Whisper white exterior, 3.9 liter V8 underneath the hood. Of course, that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the front fascia, chrome grille. And as you can see, paint shows well on this one, well taken care of car. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where all the still pics will be. And you can also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct chrome wheels, Michelin radial tires. So we take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Once again, paint shows well. Interior is the dark charcoal or ebony with the red accent. Great looking color combination. There's the center console with that automatic transmission. Electronic dual climate control. AM, FM, CD. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check it out a little bit closer. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Parade boot also included. It will come with the, how do I want to say this, like foldable hard top, I guess, holder, if you will. It's one with the wheels on it. You can push around if you got it in your garage or what have you when you don't have the hard top on. And I'll show you one similar to it. I just have one here in our shop that we use when we're doing the videos and pictures. So I'll kind of show you that setup when we get the convertible top up, have the hard top we're going to put on. We'll check out all of those. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll also be able to check it out in the still pictures. We'll have the top down, soft top up, hard top on. So you'll be able to see this car every way it was designed to be with the hard top and soft top. If you like these retro style newer cars, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they are uploaded, the vehicles are available to be purchased off our website or showroom floor if you make it see us in person. As you can see, the driver's side looks as good as the passenger side. Parade boot or convertible top cover, nice shape. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, you're going to have your modern amenities with your power windows, power locks. Trunk release is actually right down there where you can also lock it. You have a power seat over here on the driver's side. Power mirrors. Of course, steering wheel controls for cruise, stereo. This would have a power tilt, I also believe. I'll check that out in just a second. You can see that the seating surfaces also in nice shape, nothing to hide there. Leather wearing as you'd expect. Let's check the exact miles, start it up. There you can see power tilt. How about exact miles? There they are, 16,884. And this would have a power telescopic wheel. You can see this back and forth there also. Controls over on the left over here down below. So miles, 16,884. No warning indicators, anything like that. 6 CD changer, AC blows cold, I can vouch for that. Burr. Top of the dash looking good. No surprises on the interior either. This would have a power top, and I will show you that functioning here in just a bit. We'll check out the condition of the top. First, let's take a listen to that 3.9 liter V8. Sounds good. Let me pause this 1 second. I'm going to pop this hood, get this hood open so we can check out that engine bay. Then stick around. We'll check out both tops. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, hood liner, spotless. Doesn't look like it's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. And that would explain why the rest of this engine bay is also very nice and clean and tidy. That V8 power. In with the still pictures, you'll be able to see a still picture of the window sticker. If you'd like to see exactly how this car was equipped, and take a look at that window sticker that would have came with when it was brand new. Check out those still pics. All right, let me get a tripod set up here, and let's show you this soft top going up and down, and we'll also check out So that's a quick one. Takes no time to get the top up one bit whatsoever. Nice tight fit above the windshield. You can see it latched down nicely. Side glass rolled up, so you can see how that fits. Perfect. Speaking of perfect, this top is in extremely nice shape, which doesn't surprise me, because if you had this car, you're gonna have that top down most of the time where it's protected. Since it's a convertible, no, it looks good. There's no discoloration. Doesn't even really look like there's any wear on it. Nice and dark black color. No rips, tears, holes, or stains. Wow. Also in nice shape, but same family since new, so what would you expect, right? Clean Carfax, low miles. All right, let me pause this one more time. I'm going to show you that top going back down, and then we'll get the hard top on here. And last but not least, hard top on. So this is a two-man job to put the hard top on, one lifting on each side, or two-person job, I should say. I don't want to get in trouble there. All right, nice tight fit above the windshield, black in color like the soft top was. Portholes, side glass rolled up. There was a little scuff back here, I noticed. Right there, if you can see it. So if you wanted the hard top on and doing a little traveling and want the AC going, you have that option also. And passenger side also looks good. Tight fit above the windshield, side glass. All right, so I was talking about that stand. Here's a stand. This is the one I use in the shop. The one that I believe is coming with this car, it folds up, fit in the trunk. A lot of usually use this is just a metal solid one, but it's a stand that will hold the hard top. That will be coming with this car. And like I said, stick around just a bit longer. We're going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 2002 Ford Thunderbird and Whisper white low mile car. Been in the same family since new. Clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2002 Ford Thunderbird. White and black on the exterior with red accents on the inside. I like the red accents. This is an automatic on the center console, which makes it super easy to drive. The retro styling of the 2002 Kind of a throwback to the 55 to 57s. Nice acceleration. Factory stereo working great. This is, of course, a convertible, and we do have the hardtop up today. If I didn't already mention it, the AC is blowing cold. The seats leather buckets with red centers and black edges, matching the red and black motif in here very well. Smooth brakes with no pulsation of any kind, and they're working well. Corners nicely, doesn't lean too much. We're showing a full tank of gas on the gauge. Temperature right in the middle of the gauge. Factory tachometer and speedometer working great. Feels like a low mile car, very good condition. 2002 Thunderbird. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.